Hello, welcome to the Audio Mova Learning channel. In this video, we have listening in easy English about different topic each day. Let's talk about the psychology behind decision-making. Decision-making is a crucial aspect of our daily lives. From the moment we wake up, we are faced with countless choices that shape our day. But have you ever stopped to think about why you make the decisions you do? Understanding the psychology behind decision-making can provide valuable insights into our behaviors. Let's dive deeper into this fascinating topic. When it comes to decision-making, there are two main systems at play: the fast and intuitive system and the slow and analytical system. The fast system relies on gut instincts and emotions, often leading to quick decisions based on intuition. On the other hand, the slow system involves deliberate reasoning and logical thinking, leading to more thoughtful and rational decisions. One interesting aspect of decision-making is the concept of cognitive biases. These biases are inherent shortcuts in our thinking that can influence our judgments and decision-making processes. For example, confirmation bias is the tendency to search for, interpret, and remember information in a way that confirms our preconceptions. This can lead us to ignore opposing viewpoints and make biased decisions. Another common cognitive bias is the anchoring effect, where we rely too heavily on the first piece of information we receive when making decisions. Understanding these biases can help us make more informed and rational choices in our daily lives. Emotions also play a significant role in decision-making. Our emotional state can impact the decisions we make, often leading to irrational choices driven by fear, anger, or joy. For instance, when we are in a heightened emotional state, we may be more likely to make impulsive decisions without considering the consequences. Being aware of our emotions and how they influence our decision-making can help us regulate our responses and make better choices. Additionally, social influences can shape our decision-making processes. We are constantly influenced by the people around us, whether it's friends, family, or society as a whole. Social norms, peer pressure, and cultural expectations can all impact the decisions we make. For example, we may be more likely to conform to a group decision even if we have reservations about it. Understanding the role of social influences can empower us to make decisions that align with our values and beliefs. In conclusion, the psychology behind decision-making is a complex and multifaceted subject that influences every aspect of our lives. By understanding the various factors that contribute to our decision-making processes, we can become more mindful and intentional in the choices we make. Whether it's recognizing cognitive biases, managing our emotions, or navigating social influences, awareness is key to making informed and rational decisions. So next time you're faced with a choice, take a moment to consider the psychology behind your decision-making. Thank you for listening to this audio on the psychology behind decision-making. We hope you found it insightful and informative.